for me mobibia akwaba edeba epibrim Amamre TV na ene abakosema me de brɛ no ai ano eden na obetimu nsɛm na areho na obi bɛse ai tete wo hoyi ewo bi ka na tete so ewo bi ɛkyerɛ ene sɛ ne mekasa abofom no mesrɛ mo mekra aboto na mekra edi areho amama kai amachi de denyom ɔse sansan kurumei baabi a mewuo no sɛbi ɛhɔ na monsie me na kyese na abakosema eba no ano eden okay sɛ yeba and ye beti bibi say Ghana must go and also na ekyere de amene me no ka say bag bi a ye frɛ no eye efiewura so ame no ai ne nyina so eka ho bi ene ye frɛ no Ghana must go na ede pote na esiye ebire bi a atwam na kyese oman Ghana mu no na enipa tempenten kwa enipa high na kyese de ebedi kura na anoden enti ema Ghana adehye dodo na etimi ebo anan anase etu kwan ekotena eye alatamamu aye ene ye frɛ ho Nigeria ekotena ho na enumu na omokodoso ewo ho enti ema womo amanyo sensem no rise ekosoro ye beka se omo economy na ekosoro na enumu saa bre no na president a wo frɛ no eye Shegu Shagari na eteso a ono nso obi besie na keta hye ene proye ahye ne ma etwom enti eno na ohwe ya no se da bi se de oman Ghana ma esia begu mikromu na ama ahokyere eba ne de na ewo se mitimi efa kwan bia so na mepam won ema won efiri eye alatamam se ne be ya yenso ye ho ebe hwenhare yen na enumu na ode ose eye oyo a kyese ode ohye na ode ebire eto so ema kyese eye Ghana emabunu emerewa wona mpo ano aware wo ho ewo adwumatitiru bi ye no otimi ehwe nyame anim epam wo mo ya efiri eye Nigeria eman ni mu na ode areho etu epansam eye Nigeria ensa aseso eye afe apem ahanwotwe aduokono enum 1895 ena saa asem kese yi esiye na ohwe sene ensem no ekoya na ne nipa dodo na ena etimi efiri mu a eye saa bre no yewura ai a yebebo ne din JJ Rollins saa bre nim no ono so etimi ehweye na ode erupre bomframa ekosesa enipa dodo na edwom beduru oman Ghana mu a wobo modin ehwe wona no yare wo ma no munya baabi na epe enuane edema ebinom ediye but odi yentie asem ni mu pote na yenhwe ekwan a akwasibro ni befka se omofa so etimi survive ye ene amanehunu a ebimu enyae na omutimi dade na omutimi didi na omunya aduane di edien pote na ekoso ebusuafo moma yentie na meraho
of how some Ghanaians were saved by Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings. May so rest in perfect peace. You know, when they were being kicked out of Nigeria in the 1980s, I mean, we all know the story, but we don't really know how these people even got here. Now, just to make things clear, this is not for you to go pointing fingers at anyone.
I'm telling you.
This is even a time for us to bond together as Africans, Ghana and Nigeria.
One day, we did Ajawa State. We group ourselves Ghanaians. How we go do, where we go, hide. Some people say, let's go up here. So Kwara State, some push, they there. Police come surround us, they carry us. In Ghanaians, many, let's say in thousands of Ghanaians, they put us for trailer, one big trailer. Go dump us, cross the semi border, go dump us for Cotonou, bury ground. And the bury ground be like the whole island. Nigeria soldiers cross near semi border there. You cannot cross them. Come inside, come and buy food. Whereby we host more, everybody hosts more money. Cotonou soldiers also block, let's say, from here to Aja side. So you cannot cross them too. Go Cotonou, go buy food. So we dey inside murder under coconut. Every day we dey eat coconut, morning, afternoon, evening. Fresh one, dry one. Fresh one, dry one. Crying for God. Where our help from? Is it how we are going to die? Every morning when you wake up, say, this one die, you. This one, people are crying. And that bury ground, you cannot sleep because that big ant, black one, they there well. So the place where they bury people, where they cemented it, now that place will give breastfeeding mother, those who born you, we put cloth for them to sleep. But to you boys, we carry the coconut branches, the dry one, set fire. We set fire, different places so that the ant can die. So we want to sleep. If you want to sleep, we just stand up. Just go for coconut tree. We stand for coconut tree. Because you cannot sleep for ground. We slept Berrigan there for good 2 weeks. Many people die, many people born. From one day, we see one Airbus, Army Airbus, that's a plane, big one, rolling with the Ghanaian flag. So we follow them, go far, small. So the plane come down, and you will see the pilot come outside, not to that our former president, Jerry John Rawlings. The plane carry 120 passengers, but they load us about 200. Say, wait, I should come back again. It go about 10 or 15 times, carry all of us, reach Accra. The moment you reach you, they guide us. They don't let anybody go. The moment you reach you, they give you food first. After food, they lead you to one tent. They give you injection, treat you fine. They give you place to sleep.
So this
eti ebusuafo wei ene ensem kakra esiye na chese utie mu nsema na chese are huyi pa chese papai all kan nyina utim se ne chekere ma no na chese ebutu a meka se adane nti ohwa eye sene Nigeria fo esika won brof no eno ena na all kan tisabre no yewura JJ Rawlings ono ena otimi eba ye ebeyi o mu free sa ohawo ni nyina mu na ode won eba oman Ghana mu eti ebusuafo ye ka Ghana ene Nigeria asem dia na kire se enye adeketo akora na saa bere nim ni de utim se enipa a ebodom pem ekogu eye Nigeria mamu no na enye ebreketo a ye hwe eye emfi apem ahankron ede wotwe miensa eye 1983 mu honoma na chese ne ye de besusu ana chese saa bere no na chese enei obi a wanya 42 years bia no na otim se saa na ekosi ana awe huyi pa kom kese a etisi oman Ghana eye 1983 ni mu mani pa dodo na soso etutu mpasa na epe baby efa ye no amani hunu akwanhia osum ne ejaadwo a enipa dodo na so ekonya ye ewo eye Nigeria asase so no na enei me no ka se ohwa kamia ese Nigeria ene oman Ghana ayete se akrafo anase awarefo a wonte won ho ase eba eye bo mu a mpo eba enwumtuo mu a otimu se da bia no sebi yede enamfosem ene akon kakra ede efremu a tese yakoye arrivals ewo eye ebibiri amanmu ahanom eninti ena meka kire se bomoden na subscribe bibrem amamere TV na de beto phone bia no ye de ama won so na wanya bi enso etie afi enso so bomoden na wa subscribe Kasama Media ye Facebook, YouTube na TikTok sa so na bibrem TV eho na ye wo me amede ensem nyina ebre wo no ai ebre semu no mo behunu manim mekeka me mfidie no esi ani eti aha na mede mbese me kono na mechia me manager ba ko pe me manager akope Papa DK, Mr. DK Mechiao Sansona and Chenny B Enkoma, Mr. Patrick, the CEO of Kasama Media, Mechia Bibre, and I'm a boss. I'm in Ghana. Mr. Evans, Sa Enso, and I'm in Chiakese, Enko, Enfa, Emma, Memamia, or no so, a freno, Mammy, if ya could be our no so, Elbunsun Quanta, Minia, if ya quatma, or no so, a war, Accra, Ravico, a ho, and a autumn fruits, a fee Mechia, a Mesopho Penny, Apostle Daniel Asare, and then Chenny. Being so enkoma mema me amene no ewo Kumase aha na asori mu na meko seed of Christ nyame emfa na kwan Mama Ruth nyankopon no ai ono so mechia no prophetess Mama Ruth ebusuafo we mu nyina ka ho bi na omode ompaibo ene wa ho den ta ye chi a yetimi ede nsem dodo na ede ebre mo no yakra mo ebre sem mo besa ate enka pia mo maba